Good morning, folks. Facebook, and if I upload this to YouTube, YouTube too. Okay, on this Facebook Live on this Sunday morning. Okay. Speaking of that, I just finished doing the YouTube Live. Okay, live streaming on Facebook on this Sunday morning. I'm in Columbia Park right now. That's the rest of Columbia Park right here. Okay. So I better save some energy for my live stream when I do a YouTube live for the sermon and the choir selection. Choir selection, not I don't mean selection. Okay. Excuse me on that one. Okay. So anyway, earlier I saw a cat somewhere. I didn't film that cat. That cat was ugly and stuff like that. And not only that though, talking about Alicia and stuff like that, praying for Nala, talking about Nala too, Okay. I'll pray for Alicia too, but I don't want that crazy girl around me either, There's a lot of people I don't want around me, They negative, depressive and stuff like that. I'm not saying impressive, depressive, I don't know if that's a new word or what. Probably a new word, And she says suppress. It's depress, not suppress. To me, that's a stupid word to me, Yep. All right, so I'm not gonna do a Facebook Live for the choir selection and the sermon. It's third Sunday and it's Communion Sunday. Okay. so I definitely won't miss Communion Sunday. My favorite Sunday. Sometimes I miss Communion Sunday. Sometimes I don't miss Communion Sunday. All right. So anyway, praying for Nala. Hoping she's all right. Revealed my feelings about her. There's somebody on my Facebook friend list that probably know Nala. Her sister have a Facebook page, but she's not on my friend list yet. She's sure not. I love Nala though, no matter what. She's a sweetheart, no matter how she is though. Even if she's bitter, Okay, so I'll be on my way in church though. So on the serious side though, my mama hated Nala, but on the serious side, my mama hate the wrong person, because she never done me nothing. I will say that the person she should hate is Alicia. She does me wrong, Alicia took advantage of me, well, tried to take advantage of me, talking about she was homeless and stuff like that, lying through her teeth, and then talking about her parents moved to California. You know what? That girl's a liar, All right. Well, it's a possibility. My friend Donald watches my live stream. Yeah, he do. So he might. Well, he might show Alicia this video, but I don't care. And I don't care if I hurt her feelings. Because I'm fed up with her. All right. So anyway. I about to stop this tape, get ready to go to church and stuff like that. Hopefully this video gonna be on YouTube today or tomorrow or whatever. I don't know when. All right. Happy Sunday, y'all. All right.